Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your profile in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do now is just to access to your profile and then you will be able to start customizing in it. And to do so, you will simply need either to go to your dashboard and from here you will need just to click on edit profile, or you can simply go to your profile icon and there you will need just to click on your profile and it will be the same here. And basically here you can click on edit profile and you will have just some things that you will be able to edit. So you will have the name, you can add the bio, you can also mention other organization or whatever you like, your pronouns, company, etc. Those are just some additional information on your profile. And of course, you can change your avatar or your profile picture. But what is more interesting is to have your README file. And basically, that would add some customization on your profile. So you can simply do that by clicking on repository. You click on new, and basically, you will need to name your profile as your username. So we make sure it is as username and make sure it has the README file. So here I have a readme.md, and from here you can add many things. So I can just click here on the edit, and basically from here you can start adding many APIs that would add many features for our profile. And this one is a feature that would add me or that would add the profile views for my account. And as you can see, I can already see my profile views, and you might find many in the web search engine. So APIs for example for profile readme in GitHub, and basically you might find many projects. And basically those are some this one to get user profile readme development stats, and this one will show you the stats as follow. You can simply just copy such APIs, and basically it will show you exactly how you can get some of these stats. And basically you can find many projects as follow and you can add them to your readme file, and basically you will be able to have a more uh, bright and shiny profile. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.